Why students hate school from different countries? Bangladesh, surprise test. Sweden's dirty toilets. Pakistan, waking up early. Japan, reading in front of the class. Russia, going classes. Egypt, broken chairs. Philippines, just study. Indonesia, mean teachers. France, bird pooping. Canada, not being allowed to eat in class. Italy, wearing uniforms. China, teachers' pet. Malaysia, sitting all day. India, homework. Nepal, not having friends. Sri Lanka, being bullied. South Korea, cafeteria food. USA, having to take the bus. UK, not enough holidays. Turkey, exams. Brazil, pointless subjects. Iran, slow internet. Singapore, the night before exams. Germany, getting judged by